Are you frustrated because personal development has stopped working for you? Maybe at the beginning you were motivated and you saw amazing gains, and then now all of a sudden you're not seeing those same gains. It might be because it's time now for you to fully integrate your shadow. There's an aspect of us that we keep hidden. In fact, we nearly even live in that hidden self. At an early age, we stopped being our true authentic self. We listened to the world around us and we gave up who we really are, our superconscious self, who we really are, and started living the shadow. My name is Duncan. I wrote the book You're Not Broken. We sold over 1 million copies. It's a New York Times bestseller. You may have seen it. Through helping a lot of people understand they're not broken and that they don't need to race to another point of therapy, what became obvious is I needed to explain more and more to people how the way that they think they're broken, the way that they've got a shadow, what they're searching in personal development and therapy, inside of that part of them, inside of that wounded self, there is actually a superpower. And that superpower is your innate intuition. There are 9 different superpowers that correlate to 9 wounded identities and how we orient in life. On an upcoming session, if you're interested, I'm going to take people through a 3-hour deep dive into all 9 wounded selves, all 9 shadows, and all 9 superpowers. We then go on an amazing meditative journey. There is a 9-day training that comes after this. Each day we have you do a process. Then I give you 2 specific meditations that help you return back to your sweet, innocent self, full of the philosopher's stone potential, being able to turn lead into gold and the secrets of alchemy. I give you an amazing process that I was taught by a billionaire that allowed me to stop trying to fix myself and create my future. So it's a brand new program. I'm doing a super special, just $29 for the 3-hour session. Plus you'll also get the follow-up 9-day training. Plus you'll get all the meditations. To keep this program, I'm going to be selling for over $1,000 when I truly launch it. Right now it's $29. And so if you want it, I'm also going to be throwing in a manuscript to my new book, which will be coming out later this month, so you'll get that too. So if this is interesting to you, if you're frustrated with how personal development is for you right now, you got a bit of gains at the start and you need that next level, if you're ready for the most advanced consciousness training, then check this out. I'll see you in the session. Bye for now.